Hey, hello everyone, hello YouTubers. This is your boy Ashwin. How are you everyone? And okay, don't forget to subscribe our Gavlog, Gavin. We are in ALOYSIUS and here it comes Gavin, who is running behind me and who is a big fan of me. Yeah, thank you everyone. Encholar materla chanda kane kade baidana manete materla leidiru materla leidin tekle uparra korondullir materla anchadu punaga maatanete battadu materla tulege enna period barondullir at fan following undu materla tule Gav at mala celebrity adenna piro barondullir tule materla barondullir anchadu punaga materla chaparle tidi tinle bokka madhyana anjalu meenu dada bodav mantle enkonji call akle yam barpe tinre. Okay everyone, please subscribe Gavlogs.
Bounce.
I should actually sit. The special part is Sumit is early.
How did you come on time, bro, today?
I always
You never come on time.
always be on time, guys. Punctuality.
So the fourth person is here. Guys, this is Ritika and the fourth person to reach.
I'm the first girl to reach.
Sumit, you just gone crazy in the morning. Do anything you want. Nice background to dance for. There's too much light. Whoa, it looks crazy, bro. Just do some moves. And you can see the latecomers number 2. I don't know, 4. Latecomer number 29 fucking shoot.
You know,
Please
you don't know.
subscribe Gavlogs. Come on.
Why you late, bro? Shut up.
I'm promoting your channel.
Welcome to Gavlogs.
Hi.
Hi.
Tell people to subscribe.
Please
First you subscribe.
and like.
Hey, have you subscribed?
She didn't even know.
No, she won't know, no?
Shooting? You're really shooting? Yes.
Yeah.
Weren't you like supposed to put makeup and come?
Only liner.
Only liner, okay. Cool. What are you up to, bro?
Fish
I
you
bought
brought.
today अर्धा kg bangode, 1/4 kg butai, and this is manji. You know
Oh.
manji?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is manji.
Using amazing expensive makeup. $10,000 for the lipstick.
Oh my god.
Bro, have you subscribed to Gavlogs? Hello? Have you subscribed to Gavlogs?
Have you?
No.
Posa shug lala anjana mankuna. Lala undi yan posa tu mankuna thalegi. Halenna posa shug first donkun.
Look at mine. Very good morning to the two handsome men walking towards the college.
3.
I hope Elton doesn't screw me. He's wearing mask, so he's saved. We're gonna see a awesome slam dunk happening in 3, 2, 1. Go. Well, fail. 7:45 was the shoot.
Yeah, they came that time.
No. You can see Mr. Yashwin is really tensed over the shoot. It's going really well, but we've not yet. I don't know what this guy is up to, but
Gavlogs.
the beautiful lady is walking towards us.
Ladies finger.
Kids actually, not ladies.
This is ladies finger.
Babus.
Babush too.
And you can see Jadu from Koi Mil Gaya.
Subscribe Gavlogs. He has
The-
paid me for that.
You can.
Have to say it repeatedly, once,
This is the
twice,
34th
thrice,
time
every
he's
time.
telling.
He said me that, please.
34th time is
Yeah. Because you have paid me a huge amount for this, man.
that I'll edit, no worries.
Yenchaular matha. Kepegudi pe. Gantu muta pani. Unek pan per gantu muta pani. Bathane. Daita pater nu ir. Daita pater nu cha nairna. Ane. Jogle puratule. Itte korni nama. Better din chedek dakini. Nee, ime gelauge. Sonia namitte.
Separate.
So as you can see, we're done with the shoot.
Yeah, we are done.
How's it going?
Again, he paid me for that. Subscribe.
Chalo.
Gavlogs.
Sadhana in the house, Sushma in the house, Jadu in the house. Hi Jadu.
Hi, Dad. It's Nataka.
Ondia, enna shirts ondia.
Modern Jadu.
This samosa is very
Gavlogs,
delicious.
take it.
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this, and yeah, I don't have much time because I want to have this samosa which is very delicious. So signing off, this is Gavlogs. Bye bye.